I honestly believe there's a direct correlation between people who have some sort of video editing skills and people who end up succeeding with dropshipping, since the ad you create is incredibly important.
I just got a video from BandsOffAds.
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 I used BandsOffAds.com for my video ad,
And that video right here was able to make us more than $2,000 already.
$18,000 a day.
$329.70 for yesterday.
We did £81,000, which is just over around $100,000.
I purchased the video ad for this store off BandsOffAds. I'm literally getting sales for my store for £3.80, £4 a sale.
So I highly recommend BandsOffAds.
They are the only dropshipping video ad service I ever use and trust when it comes to videos.
If you want to get a Facebook ad video for your dropshipping store, make sure to check them out.
Check them out if you'd like.
Make sure you guys go ahead and check them out.